Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Help our channel grow. Thank you very much. Working on clearing all this sloughage off this hillside, opening this pathway up again. I'm going to pull that Chevy step van back here and get it out of the way so I can excavate up there by where it's sitting now. There's a big hole right here where I've got the camera set up, so I'm pushing all this dirt back here to kind of fill this in and grade it out, make it a little better than what it was. Just collecting mud. I don't need any more mud holes. I got plenty of them on this project. I think we've got 3 or 4 loaders sitting around here that could be helping with this, but every single one of them are broke down right now. It's kind of the thing with heavy equipment. It spends most of its time broke down, especially when it's as old as our stuff is. The little Yanmar excavator is doing a pretty good job on this, thank goodness. At least it's still operating for the time being. The excavator has a slight oil leak in one of the oil lines underneath, and so I've got to figure out, number one, if I can get that oil line. It's got special curved fittings. Go up to the oil cooler, and hopefully the line's available, and hopefully it won't break the bank totally. And doggone stick supervisor's there waiting for me to get off that machine so I can throw another stick for him. Hill is doing a pretty good job of sloughing off against that little step van, and well, that stuff's still muddy and kind of sticks to the bucket, so gotta get that stuff out of there. Well, I air up the tires on that van and talk one of my granddaughters into coming down and steering it. Well, I pull it backwards and get it out of the way.